It's been a long day of drinking.
Do you even look at the count?
I really want to run through all the birds out there.
Go do it. Try to tackle one of them.
What are you gonna do when you catch one?
If I catch one, what do I get?
You get a seagull dinner.
Yeah, you get a seagull dinner.
Look it up.
A lot of seagulls out though.
I'll go down there.
Crazy seagulls.
You know what? Fuck it. I'm going down there.
Oh shit. You are gonna get arrested.
Film me.
You're gonna get arrested if you go down there. Oh shit. We have him in our sights. What does he plan on doing? Are they scurrying? I can't even see the damn birds on this thing. Run, motherfucker! Yeah. Uh-oh, he's reached the birds. Gotta take off into a sprint. I was hoping he'd kind of trip and fall. There he goes. Look at them all go. Nice work. I lost him. I can't see. Oh, I'm zoomed in way too far.
This might be the most jackass thing I've seen all week. People over where?
This is good. This is good footage, people. The crowd's calling for him to go the other way. But he's having fun trudging through the sand there. The bright light.
Wow. Oh my god.
He's definitely gonna get arrested. We need to help him now.